Welcome to our journey through some of the most famous chemistry missions in history. Chemistry has always been at the heart of scientific discovery, shaping our understanding of the world and driving innovation. From the early days of alchemy to the modern laboratory, chemists have embarked on missions that changed the course of science. In this video, we'll explore groundbreaking experiments, legendary discoveries, and the brilliant minds behind them. Get ready to uncover the stories that made chemistry a cornerstone of modern science, and see how these missions continue to influence our lives today. Long before modern chemistry, alchemy was the first mission to unlock the secrets of matter. Alchemists in ancient Egypt, China, and the Islamic world sought to transform base metals into gold and discover the elixir of life. While their goals were mystical, their experiments laid the groundwork for scientific methods. The pursuit of alchemy introduced concepts like distillation and crystallization, which are still used today. This early mission, though shrouded in mystery, was essential in transitioning from magical thinking to systematic scientific inquiry. 18th century marked a turning point with Anton Lavoisier, often called the father of modern chemistry. His mission was to bring clarity and precision to chemical science. Lavoisier debunked the phlogiston theory and introduced the law of conservation of mass, showing that matter is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. His meticulous experiments and insistence on accurate measurement set new standards for scientific research, paving the way for future discovery. One of the most famous chemistry missions was the discovery of oxygen. Joseph Priestley and Carl Wilhelm Scheele independently isolated oxygen in the 1770s, but it was Lavoisier who recognized its true role in combustion and respiration. This breakthrough revolutionized our understanding of air and chemical reactions, leading to the development of modern chemical nomenclature and the periodic table. The mission to identify and understand gases was a major leap forward for science. Dmitri Mendeleev's mission to organize the elements resulted in the creation of the periodic table in 1869. By arranging elements by atomic weight and properties, he predicted the existence of undiscovered elements and left spaces for them. Mendeleev's periodic table became a powerful tool for chemists, guiding research and discovery for generations. His work demonstrated the power of pattern recognition and scientific intuition in chemistry. Marie Curie's mission to understand radioactivity changed science forever. Alongside her husband Pierre, she discovered the elements polonium and radium, and coined the term radioactivity. Her pioneering research not only expanded the periodic table, but also opened new fields in physics and medicine. Curie's dedication and perseverance in the face of adversity inspired generations of scientists, and her work remains a cornerstone of nuclear chemistry. Mission to synthesize ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen was accomplished by Fritz Haber and Carl Bosch in the early 20th century. Their process made it possible to produce fertilizers on an industrial scale, revolutionizing agriculture and supporting global population growth. The Haber-Bosch process is considered one of the most important chemical engineering achievements, demonstrating how chemistry can solve real-world problems. Mission to uncover the structure of DNA was a landmark in both chemistry and biology. James Watson, Francis Crick, Rosalind Franklin, and Maurice Wilkins worked tirelessly to solve this puzzle. Using X-ray crystallography and model building, they revealed the double helix structure in 1953. This discovery unlocked the secrets of genetic information, revolutionizing medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. Mission to create new materials led to the invention of synthetic polymers like nylon, polyester, and Teflon. Chemists such as Wallace Carothers and Roy Plunkett pioneered these discoveries, transforming industries from textiles to aerospace. Synthetic polymers are now an essential part of daily life, demonstrating how chemistry missions can have a profound impact on society and technology. Modern chemistry missions increasingly focus on sustainability and environmental protection. Green chemistry aims to design products and processes that minimize waste and reduce hazardous substances. Chemists are developing biodegradable plastics, safer solvents, and energy-efficient reactions. These initiatives reflect a growing awareness of chemistry's role in creating a sustainable future and protecting our planet. One of the most controversial chemistry missions was the Manhattan Project, which developed the first atomic bombs during World War II. This massive scientific effort brought together top chemists and physicists to harness nuclear fission. While it ended the war, it also raised ethical questions about science and its consequences. The Manhattan Project remains a powerful example of chemistry's potential and responsibility. Mission to identify the noble gases was led by chemists like Lord Rayleigh and William Ramsay in the late 19th century. Their discovery of argon, neon, krypton, and xenon filled gaps in the periodic table and expanded our understanding of atmospheric chemistry. These inert gases have since found uses in lighting, welding, and even space exploration. Chemists have always been on a mission to discover new elements. From the early days of the periodic table to modern particle accelerators, the search continues. Recent discoveries of superheavy elements like flerovium and oganesson push the boundaries of chemistry and physics. These missions require international collaboration and cutting-edge technology, highlighting the spirit of scientific exploration. Friedrich August Kekulé's mission to determine the structure of benzene was a milestone in organic chemistry. His famous dream of a snake biting its own tail led to the ring structure model, explaining benzene's unique stability. This discovery paved the way for understanding aromatic compounds and revolutionized the field of organic chemistry. Friedrich Wöhler's synthesis of urea in 1828 was a landmark mission that disproved vitalism, the belief that organic compounds could only be made by living organisms. By creating urea from inorganic materials, Wöhler showed that organic chemistry could be studied and manipulated in the lab, opening the door to countless new discoveries. Mission to discover new forms of carbon led to the identification of fullerenes or buckyballs in 1985 by Harold Kroto, Robert Curl, and Richard Smalley. These spherical molecules expanded our understanding of carbon chemistry and opened up new possibilities in nanotechnology and materials science. Mission to create versatile materials led to the invention of plastics. Leo Baekeland's creation of bakelite in 1907 was the first synthetic plastic, sparking a revolution in manufacturing and consumer goods. Plastics have since become ubiquitous, demonstrating both the power and challenges of chemical innovation. Mission to treat diabetes led to the discovery of insulin by Frederick Banting and Charles Best in 1921. Their work transformed diabetes from a fatal disease to a manageable condition, saving millions of lives. The discovery of insulin is a testament to the life-changing potential of chemistry missions in medicine. Determining the structure of proteins was a major mission for chemists like Linus Pauling and Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin. Using X-ray crystallography, they revealed the complex shapes of proteins which are essential for life. This work laid the foundation for modern biochemistry and drug design, showing how chemistry missions can unlock the secrets of biology. Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery of penicillin in 1928 was a mission that changed medicine forever. This antibiotic revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections and ushered in the age of modern antibiotics. The story of penicillin highlights the role of serendipity and careful observation in chemistry missions. Mission to understand nutrition led to the discovery of vitamins by chemists like Casimir Funk and Frederick Hopkins. Their work revealed the importance of micronutrients for health and led to the development of dietary supplements. The discovery of vitamins has had a lasting impact on public health and nutrition science. The mission to find new medicines led to the discovery of sulfa drugs in the 1930s. Gerhard Demag's work with Prontosil, the first sulfonamide antibiotic, paved the way for modern chemotherapy. Sulfa drugs saved countless lives and marked the beginning of the antibiotic era. Mission to understand photosynthesis led to the discovery of chlorophyll by chemists like Richard Willstetter. By isolating and studying this green pigment, scientists unlocked the secrets of how plants convert sunlight into energy. This discovery has had profound implications for biology, agriculture, and environmental science. Mission to understand the body's chemical messengers led to the discovery of hormones. Chemists and physiologists like Ernest Starling and William Bayliss identified substances that regulate bodily functions. This work laid the foundation for endocrinology and transformed medicine, showing how chemistry missions can reveal the inner workings of life. Mission to understand how chemical reactions occur in living organisms led to the discovery of enzymes. Eduard Buchner's experiments showed that cell-free extracts could ferment sugar, proving that enzymes are biological catalysts. This discovery revolutionized biochemistry and paved the way for advances in medicine and industry. Mission to understand the atom's structure was pursued by scientists like J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, and Niels Bohr. Their experiments revealed the existence of electrons, the nucleus, and energy levels, transforming our understanding of matter. These discoveries are fundamental to all of chemistry and physics. Frederick Soddy's mission to explain atomic masses led to the discovery of isotopes, atoms of the same element with different masses. This concept clarified the periodic table and enabled advances in nuclear chemistry, medicine, and archaeology. The discovery of isotopes is a key milestone in understanding atomic structure. Mission to understand how electrons are arranged in atoms led to the development of electron configuration theory. Scientists like Gilbert Lewis and Linus Pauling explained how electrons fill shells and form chemical bonds. This knowledge is essential for predicting chemical behavior and designing new materials. Mission to classify substances led to the discovery of acids and bases. Chemists like Svante Arrhenius, Johannes Bronsted, and Thomas Lowry developed theories to explain their behavior. Understanding acids and bases is fundamental to chemistry, with applications in industry, medicine, and everyday life. Mission to understand how atoms combine led to the discovery of chemical bonding. Gilbert Lewis and Linus Pauling's work on covalent and ionic bonds explained how molecules are formed. This understanding is crucial for everything from drug design to materials science, showing the power of chemistry missions. The mission to create new colors led to the discovery of synthetic dyes. William Henry Perkins' accidental synthesis of moving in 1856 launched the synthetic dye industry. This breakthrough transformed textiles, art, and fashion, and demonstrated the commercial potential of chemistry missions. The mission to relieve pain led to the development of aspirin by Felix Hoffmann at Bayer in 1897. This widely used drug has become a staple of medicine cabinets around the world. The discovery of aspirin highlights the role of chemistry in improving health and quality of life. Beyond penicillin, the mission to find new antibiotics has led to the discovery of many life-saving drugs. Chemists and microbiologists have identified compounds from soil bacteria and fungi that combat infections. The ongoing search for antibiotics is a vital chemistry mission in the fight against disease. The mission to find alternatives to natural rubber led to the development of synthetic rubber during World War II. Chemists created materials like neoprene and styrene-butadiene rubber, which are now used in countless products. This innovation was crucial for industry and the war effort. Mission to find materials that conduct electricity without resistance led to the discovery of superconductors. Heike Kamerlingh-Onnes first observed this phenomenon in mercury at low temperatures. Superconductors have since enabled advances in medical imaging, transportation, and quantum computing. Roy Plunkett's accidental discovery of Teflon in 1938 was a mission that led to one of the most versatile materials ever made. Teflon's non-stick properties revolutionized cookware and found uses in aerospace, electronics, and industry. This story shows how unexpected results can lead to major breakthroughs. Mission to create strong, lightweight materials led to the invention of Kevlar by Stephanie Kwolek in 1965. Kevlar's incredible strength and durability have made it essential for bulletproof vests, helmets, and many other applications. This discovery highlights the impact of chemistry missions on safety and technology. Mission to understand unusual states of matter led to the discovery of liquid crystals by Friedrich Rienitzer and Otto Lehmann. Liquid crystals are now used in displays for TVs, computers, and smartphones. This chemistry mission has had a huge impact on modern technology and daily life. Kary Mullis's mission to amplify DNA led to the invention of the polymerase chain reaction (PCR) in 1983. PCR allows scientists to make millions of copies of DNA, revolutionizing genetics, forensics, and medical diagnostics. This chemistry mission has become a cornerstone of modern biology. Mission to edit genes led to the discovery of CRISPR-Cas9 technology by Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier. This powerful tool allows precise genetic modifications, opening new possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. CRISPR is one of the most exciting recent chemistry missions. Mission to explore new materials led to the isolation of graphene by Andrei Geim and Konstantin Novoslev in 2004. This single layer of carbon atoms is incredibly strong, light, and conductive. Graphene's discovery has sparked a wave of research into advanced materials and nanotechnology. Mission to manipulate matter at the nanoscale led to the discovery of quantum dots. These tiny semiconductor particles have unique optical properties and are used in displays, solar cells, and medical imaging. Quantum dots are a testament to the power of chemistry missions in the age of nanoscience. The mission to visualize biological processes led to the discovery of green fluorescent protein, GFP, by Osamu Shimomura, Martin Chaffee, and Roger Tsien. GFP has become an essential tool in cell biology, allowing scientists to track gene expression and protein movement in living cells. Mission to find sugar substitutes led to the discovery of artificial sweeteners like saccharin, aspartame, and sucralose. These compounds have transformed the food industry and provided options for people with diabetes and those seeking to reduce sugar intake. Chemistry missions continue to shape our diets and health. As we've seen, chemistry missions have shaped our world in countless ways, from life-saving medicines to revolutionary materials. The spirit of discovery continues, with chemists tackling challenges like climate change, renewable energy, and sustainable materials. The future holds exciting possibilities, and the next great chemistry mission could be just around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most famous chemistry missions in history.